In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Skillshare to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have the Skillshare app linked right inside ChatGPT, so you can use it without leaving your workspace. Start in ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile icon to open the menu, then select Settings. This is where all your account and workspace controls live, and it's the place you'll use to add or manage integrations. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're in the one where you want the app connected before you continue. Inside Settings, find and open the Apps section. Apps is the hub for third-party connections. It shows what's already connected and lets you add more. If you don't immediately see apps, make sure you're on the latest version of ChatGPT or using a plan that supports integrations. From the Apps page, choose Explore Apps or Add More. Both options take you to the same catalog where you can browse the available integrations. At the top of that catalog, you'll see a search field. Click it, type Skillshare, and wait a moment for results to load. Be sure the spelling is correct, and give it a second if your connection is slow. If Skillshare doesn't appear, it may not be available in your region or on your current plan yet. Simply try again later or update your app and refresh the page. When you see Skillshare, click Connect. This is the action that starts the linking process between your ChatGPT account and the Skillshare app. A confirmation window may appear to let you know what's about to happen, and then you'll be guided through any on-screen instructions. Follow those prompts carefully. You may be asked to sign in on Skillshare's secure page and grant permission for the app to work with ChatGPT. Review the details and approve if everything looks right. If you're already signed in to Skillshare in your browser, the connection can complete even faster. Once the process finishes, you'll be returned to the Apps area where Skillshare should now show as connected. That's it. The setup is done. From here, you can manage or disconnect the app anytime in the same Apps section if your needs change. If anything seems off, a quick refresh of ChatGPT usually updates the connection status. To recap, you opened Settings from your profile, went to Apps, explored the catalog, searched for Skillshare, clicked Connect, and followed the on-screen instructions. Keep your app updated, and you'll be ready to make the most of the integration.